I know what y'all thinking. Reggie, what are you wearing? Listen, Linda, listen. I got up this morning. I got a video to edit. I ain't really feel like doing it. I didn't really feel like doing it. But, if you know, we hit that 1,000 subscriber mark right there, yeah. Because we hit 1,000 subscribers, I felt like I want to do something special for y'all. I am going to put mayonnaise in my hair.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie.
So I seen things online about how avocado is a very, very great thing for your hair. It promotes shine, makes your hair silky smooth. And not only that, mayonnaise in avocado is a protein mask. So that's what we're gonna do today, guys. Today we're making an avocado hair mask. So I'm not gonna waste y'all time for real. We got things to do, places to go, avocado to cut up. Let's get it. Hey, never fear, Reggie here. In this video, we're gonna be making the avocado hair mask inspired by Cardi B herself. Now, I don't want to brag or nothing, but your boy just hit his first 1,000 subscribers and he just applied to get monetized. So congrats to everybody who's shouting me out, man. It's been a long time coming for real. And I'm here to make y'all dreams come true through this YouTube skills. So first of all, guys, we're gonna need latex gloves. Why? Because latex keep your hand clean. Now, the ingredients on this list: you're gonna need an avocado, you're gonna need honey, and you're gonna need mayonnaise. If you don't have one of these already, guys, go ahead and get you a blender, because we're gonna be using that to blend all our ingredients together. So obviously the first thing you guys want to do is cut up your avocado into small pieces. Now let me get a little bit serious here. The reason you guys want to cut your avocado into small pieces is because it just helps the blending process. When you blended something, would you rather have something really chunky in there and it make it super hard to blend? Would you rather have something cut up in really small pieces and blend super easy and it just be really, really nice and creamy? I like creamy. Now guys, I got a big head. My hair is also mid-back length and it's very thick. So with that being said, I will be using the entire avocado on my head. But if your hair is much shorter than mine, or maybe even thinner, you can get away with really just applying half of this avocado on your hair just for your avocado hair mask. On the left side of the screen, we have an empty shell of an avocado, and on the right side, we have the full avocado in the avocado shell. I'm showing you guys this just to show you how much avocado we'll be using in this avocado hair mask. Now that we've removed all the avocado from the avocado itself, from the shells, it's time for us to go ahead and put the avocado into the blender. It's time to add your mayonnaise. Now I know Cardi B has gone viral in the past for putting mayonnaise and doing very similar things with avocado in her natural hair. So if you've tried it, just know Barty Gang been on it and we late. We're going to be adding a little bit of honey. Now I just eyeballed it, but if you really want like complete accuracy from Google says put 2 tablespoons of raw honey into your avocado hair mask. If you guys are new to my channel, then you know, as previously my how to make aloe vera oil, we know that we always clean each surface before we do any other step. Remember, cleanliness is next to godliness. For my oil of choice, I went with a pure Jamaican black castor oil from IQ Naturals. I will insert a picture on the screen so you guys can see the oil. Now the reason you should add pure Jamaican black castor oil into your hair mask is because this is a protein based hair mask. Every single strand of your hair is made of what? Protein. So if your hair is damaged or it's starting to break, using pure Jamaican black castor oil in your avocado hair mask will help repair those hair strands. Now, people don't really mention this a lot, but this also helps with protein overload. If you choose to do this avocado hair mask regularly in your regimen, then I would say do this maybe once a month, every 6 weeks or so, with extra care and good balance. I did an aloe vera pre-poo off camera, guys. If you guys want to check that video out, the link will be above. So let me go ahead and get right into what the video is about. So I'm going to go ahead now and apply the avocado hair mask onto my hair, and I'm going to go over a lot of benefits about how exactly avocado can benefit your hair. Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Kato. All right, a little bit about myself, guys. I'm filled with vitamin E and B. So pretty much what that just means is I'll work on your hairs cellular level. Cellular level. Pretty much all that means is, in a nutshell, avocado, will make your hair silky, smooth, and shiny. That's it. So if you got dry hair, give me a shot, and you can find me at Walmart, Publix, and all your other supermarkets. Pull up. The other two ingredients that we added into the avocado hair mask, like the honey and the mayonnaise, just gives me enough protein for my hair to maintain its balance for the month. Since we are in the winter months, it is important that I maintain a high level of moisture and a balance of protein. So the avocado hair mask is fully applied to my head. It looks nice, it feels good, it's super moisturized, and I retain a high level of balance doing this. My curls look great as well. So now that we've done that, guys, it's time for my next step, my favorite step, which is deep conditioning. So this is how much I've used out of my avocado. Like I said, I used the entire bowl, but since my hair is already up, guys, it's time for me to go ahead and deep condition my hair. And during this process, I use a plastic bag that I got from the store, and I try to scrunch it around to make sure it stays secure. In this step, guys, I went to use my deep conditioning blow dryer attachment I got from Amazon. I got my Revlon 360 Tornado 360 blow dryer attachment for that, and I'm going to go ahead and attach that for you guys so you can see why myself deep condition. I deep condition, guys, for about 20 minutes at max, depending on what I'm doing throughout the day. If you guys can always do more, a few hours if you have more to do. But like I said, I deep condition for about 20 minutes, and after I deep condition, I pretty much wash it out off camera and let it go. I'm gonna show you guys my end results, what I got, I think day 1 hair, day 2. So you guys go ahead and check that out right here, right now. Remember, never fear, Reggie's here. Peace.